Ever wondered what happens when a recruit refuses to train? Watch as his drill instructors cook him alive for choosing to eat over training.
Oh, what is it going to be then?
It's recruit eating, sir.
Oh, you're training.
It's recruit eating, sir.
Oh, you're training.
Only right now, sir.
No.
Only right now.
You don't pick and choose. You don't pick and choose. You refused to train earlier, correct? Are you training now?
Sir.
Let me show you my training schedule. Tao is on a training schedule. So if you're refusing to train, then you don't eat. You're refusing to eat then, right?
No, sir.
You're on a hunger strike?
No, sir.
So you're not refusing to train, are you? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Partially, sir.